Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Destiny Palms Hotel Maingate West. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This Kissimmee hotel is within a 5-minute drive of Walt Disney World. The hotel offers an outdoor pool and free Wi-Fi. Rooms feature a flat-screen TV with cable channels. A refrigerator, coffee maker, and microwave are provided as well. Convenient laundry facilities are provided. Business travelers will enjoy the business center. Parking is free at the hotel. The Orange County Convention Center is a 20-minute drive from the Destiny Palms Hotel. SeaWorld is 13 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.